So today I'm going to be cropping a hoodie. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but I've had Megan Batoon's How to Crop Sew a Hoodie. I've had that video in my watch list for probably since it's been uploaded. And I just recently watched it. And I decided that I'm finally going to attempt to crop a hoodie the way that she does it. So I've had this hoodie for a while now and I don't usually wear it. I bought it in a size too big just because I really like the color and it's super soft. So I felt like I needed it, but I don't wear it because it's very unflattering. I'm gonna crop it and I'm gonna see if I like it better that way. We'll see, but let's go. Okay, so first step, to my understanding, you cut right above the pocket. So we're gonna do that. Whew! I'm just worried this is gonna be super short because I don't want it short at all. So now we have to cut below the hoodie, that bottom band. Okay, that was not fun. It didn't really go as planned. I don't know why I feel so bad that I'm destroying this hoodie. Like I feel for it, you know? Okay, now we do something else, but I have to look because I don't remember. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna turn this around this way. Okay, so now what we do is we flip this inside out. And then we are going to pin it to this part, which this table honestly is not very wide enough for this. Okay, and then this is the hard part because you have to line these up. As it goes around this way. Wait. No, it should be this way. Right? No. Oh my god. Okay. This way. Right. No. So it's gotta be the other way. Okay, I mean that looks legit, I think. And we get the tomato and we pin the sides. But we have to line the seams up. Right there. Shove that through. And then up here. Okay, so now we'll do this side, which I think you're supposed to be stretching it. I don't know, man, that looks fine. Alright, now the top. Okay. So now we have to put pins in the middle, but we have to stretch it out while we're doing it. So, hold on. I guess this way, this will work. Sure. Okay, now we flip and do the other side. I feel like I'm struggling, but I don't think I am, which is a good thing, I guess. Ow. Jesus. Okay, don't poke yourself with the needle. Guys, I have a good feeling about this, but I don't want to talk too soon. Okay. Now that that's done, I think we can move on to sewing. Okay, so we're back over here with our hoodie. Now I have to sew it together. I'm nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see how this is. I took the pins on the sides out. Now it's the moment of truth. Not gonna lie, it was easy, but I was stressed. Oh my god, wait! No. Yes. No? Maybe? I can't tell yet. Hold on. Okay. It's not bad. It's really like dirty now because I had a whole bunch of thread around my area. It's kind of cute. Here it is. The seams are a little off. I don't know if you can tell on that side. This one's a little closer, but I mean, hey, I did it. That's all that matters, right? Guys, wait, I think I did something. It's cropped. The inside is kind of a hot mess, but you don't have to look at the inside, so we're not gonna worry about that too much. All in all, it was pretty easy, and I like it now. Now it fits me. The sleeves are still long, but we can handle that. I'm squatting right now, and my legs are burning. I highly recommend. I will link her video in the description because clearly this one does not live up to that one. Megan Batoon, you are very talented. Let me just say that. And thank you for this hoodie. This was fun. Now I can wear this hoodie. That is it for this video. Just a simple, quick, easy. I just wanted to try it out and I wanted to do it on camera just to show you guys. And if you think you can't do it, you can, because I didn't think I could do it and I did it. So, and it didn't turn out bad. Like, I'm kind of digging it. The part, like, okay, this is the inside. Whoa. And there's just a little bit of extra fabric. You can feel it like rubbing up against your tummy, so that's kind of a little uncomfortable. It's not bad. I can handle it, you know? There are worse things in the world. But that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't throw your old hoodies away. If you like them in any way, crop them. I approve this message. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe, like, comment, talk to me. I'm bored. Follow me on the gram. But that's it. So I will see you guys later in my next video, whatever that may be. Before I continue not to shut up, I'll go. I'll scoot and skedaddle. See ya. That was fun.